Assalamu alaikum, Beer Com 4933 students and whoever is watching this video. Today we are discussing about the second tool to analyze and collect and download Twitter data. The last tool we discussed is tags designed using Google Script, but now this one is a very interesting tool called Netlytic. What you need to do is simple. Step number one, go to a website called Netlytic. Please, this is the website called Netlytic. Use it. This is Netlytic. Use that, go to that website and then sign in. You will be prompted to create an account. So sign up for an account. Once you have signed up an account, you will go to the, so basically let me just go to my account. So let's see, for example, right now I'm using the free version of oh, they call it tier number 1, I think. So your account, see, I'm using tier number 1. So basically let me see what other options there. So you can see that tier number 1, it is free. I can create up to 3 datasets, meaning that I can download up to 3 hashtags or 3 keywords, 2 datasets, and I can also download up to 2,500 tweets. Now, sign up, it's very interesting. The reason I like Netlytic is because probably is one of the few apps or soft solution that I have seen that is so powerful when it comes to social network analysis. And as you know that our class is about social network analysis. It allows you to download reply and interaction network data, as well as retweet and mention what do you call network data, or Twitter relational data, if you wish to call it. The interesting thing, if you go to resources here, they are very interesting resources for both, for instructors, for researchers, how to do that. It's amazing. It is just incredible. I really like it. You know, it's very rich in terms of resources. I think there are also some other case studies how you can run analysis, download and use other like R programming and other. I've seen a couple of these tutorials there. So basically, now step number 1, what you need to do, let's do some analysis. Go to your my account. So far, as tags, you need to authenticate your Twitter. You need to give it a privilege to access Twitter database using your own secret token number and secret number, etc. So what you need here is go to account or to new data set, because if you go to my account, because it is new, I did not activate it yet, it will ask you, if you go to my account, it will ask you to link to your Twitter account. So the best thing is log into your Twitter. Step number 1, log into your Twitter, keep it open, and then click on sign in with Twitter. Okay, now I will sign in. So it's authorize app. Done. Khalas, I have already authorized it. Now I'm back. You can see that I have already deleted this link. You know, I have already Twitter is linked there. Okay, now step number 2, go to new data set. Go to new data set, this one here. So create a new data set. This Netlytic actually was very powerful before Facebook decided to deactivate its API to Facebook data, as well as Instagram. Right now there are only a few options remaining. You can now, it's very interesting, just go and check it. You can still download YouTube videos from text file, RSS. Now you can see there is like an explanation how does Netlytic work, how does it treat mention, to, from, in order to create a relational data. Okay, dataset name. Okay, let me just go to Twitter, see what is trending today. I can see that طمنونا فقط etc. This is Nu'man. خليك بالبيت. Okay, I'll just copy خليك بالبيت hashtag and see what will download. I'll call it paste. I just pasted that data set. I called it خليك بالبيت. You know, this is the data set name. Now here, what it says, Twitter search query. Now this is what I want to search. I want to search خليك بالبيت. Okay. Now, okay, so let's see what the interaction around خليك بالبيت, stay at home. Okay, we have it there, Twitter, and then you can see down toward the bottom of the page, you are using 0 out of 3 of your permitted datasets. You can only download 0 to 3 datasets. For the purpose of our class, I would say probably the free tier up to 2,500 is enough for your individual assignment, as well individual project, as well as even your final paper. 2,500 is more than enough, because you'll be using more of SNA data more than textual data. Okay, so say import, click on import, click import. Okay, import. So what is happening? Okay, now it is working. You see, it says that it was able to retrieve 942 record. Now there is next step. You can follow the next step. They might be the Netlytic works into cleaning the data, duplicate. Now it walks you through different steps. Edit. Now you collect your hashtag. You can preview. You can do text analysis, network analysis, and you can get a report. You can see that in tags we have summary sheet, worksheet, and then we have a dashboard. Okay, so let's here are some of our tweets have been downloaded already. Let me zoom if you can see anything interesting there. You know, okay, so it gives you what it gives you, the following, the link, the publication date, the author, the Twitter handle, and the tweet. It's called the tweets, or the text in tags. It is called title here in what do you call, in Netlytic. So let's go to edit. There is something that I want to show you before we do this analysis. There is something that let me just go to my datasets. Click on my datasets now. Now you have your dataset here called this one. I can edit dataset collection. You can see here I can edit. This is when you click my dataset. When you click on my dataset, this is the name of the dataset. Let me see. Click on edit the dataset. I just want to show you something. Now with this the free tier number 1, you can only no, here it is. See, note the search query will run once retrieve up to 1,000 most recent. So it only gives you most recent tweets, you know, in one single run. Tier number 3 can set the query to run every 15 minutes. Now, if you subscribe into tier number 3, I think there is a good price if you are a student. If you're a student and you want to subscribe, I don't think it is very much expensive, but go and check it out, how much it is. It allows you to collect every 15 minutes. It will collect automatically, and I think it is very affordable comparing to other you know, commercial tools out there. There are many commercial tools there, but they do not support relational. They don't come with the network data. Okay. Now let's go to the data preview. Click on preview. Okay, now let me stop here, and then I'll go part number 3 from here. Okay, this is part number 1.